Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to tell you the #1 secret to making money from home in 2026. But before I get into that, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, everybody always wants to know the #1 secret to being successful when it comes to making money online or working from home. I see it all the time, okay? And the reason, what prompted me to do this video is in one of our groups, just the other day, somebody said that they were putting in the work, making videos, but they weren't having any luck, and they wanted people that were successful to share their secrets. So I said, well, I'm gonna do a video. Because you get asked this all the time, you know, why does it work for you and not for me? First off, most people quit on themselves before they even get started, all right? Because for some reason they have this self-entitlement that they think that because they pay money to join a program or to start their own business, that they're just gonna be making money overnight. And that's not how it works. That's not how it works. Success takes a lot of time. We always see the people at the top because they're at the top, but you rarely ever see the journey that they were on to get to being at the top, right? If you read books about Jack Ma or Elon Musk or Bill Gates or Steve Jobs, all these very successful people, I mean, literally they walked through hell to get to where they are right now. It's not always easy. It's a roller coaster. Entrepreneurship is a roller coaster. I know it because I've been in it for a long time now. And there's good days, there's bad days. There's some days you're worried about cash flow. There's other days where you think you have all the riches in the world. That's just how it goes. But most people don't even give themselves the opportunity to have any chance at success because they give up on themselves because they think that they're going to start making millions of dollars overnight, and that's just not how it works. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to building a business, okay? Especially when it comes from making money online and working from home. People join people who they know, like, and trust, so you have to build people's trust. You know, you can't just make a video every two months and think people are going to join you, or do a whole bunch of videos and then take a few months off and then come back and make more videos and think you're going to get sales that way. It doesn't work that way. And I'm not saying that people won't make sales that way, but the top earners, the people who are, making money working full-time from home, those are the people that are showing up every day and staying consistent. Not people jumping from program to program to program, which I did the first 10 years that I started out in this industry. You have to find a product, service, or business opportunity that resonates with you, that you fully stand behind 1,000%, and focus on building that business. You can't just jump from program to program to program every time a new program comes out. And I see so many people do that. And those are the same people that are broke year after year after year, always complaining that, it doesn't work for them. They're not having success. It's because they're not focusing on one program. So that's the first thing. Focus on one program and build that up. Build that up to where you get a nice monthly income coming from it. And then down the road, if you want to add other programs, go ahead. But when you're first starting out, pick one program, one income stream, and stick with it. But the #1 secret, and people do not like hearing this because they think it's like some magic formula. And the real secret is showing up every day, taking massive action, and staying consistent. That's the secret. The #1 secret to making money online and working from home it's those three things. That's the magic formula. Showing up every day, taking massive action, and staying consistent. That's all that it is. It's nothing more than that. You find ways to get people over to your sales pages and capture pages and funnels and things like that. You find a way that works and you stick with it. All right. That's why I focus on making YouTube videos, creating content on Facebook, and doing direct mail. Now, if you've seen any of my content this past week, on Monday I sent out 550 letters. Tuesday I sent out 100. I'm sending another 100 out right now. Okay, these are going in the mailbox today. And I stick with what I know works. The reason I do this is because I know that it works. I've been doing it long enough to know that these three things, these three ways that I get people over to my capture pages, flat out work, right? And then I have systems in place that do all the selling and telling for me. So when somebody comes over to one of my capture pages and they opt in for more information, they're taken to through a sales funnel that does all the selling and telling for me, has email follow-ups and everything. The only time I reach out to somebody is if they reach out to me with a question or they join my program and I send them all my bonuses and welcome email. And just let them know that I'm there for them if they need anything. That's all that I do. And I've been doing it for years. And I've been showing up for years. And I stay consistent. That's all that it is. It's nothing more than that. You show up every single day, even when results are slow or months are slow. You know, I can tell you that I am down with the amount of referrals I have up to this point compared to last year. But I'm still showing up. I'm still showing up. In fact, I think in March, I think I only had four referrals into my programs. When usually I'm getting 10 to 12 a month. And sometimes it makes you question, like, oh, is what I'm doing working? Should I keep doing this? Of course, you just keep showing up. A lot of people focus on the results, the end game, as opposed to just showing up every day and taking action and staying consistent. They're so focused on how much money they're going to make, when they're going to make the money, instead of just putting in the work and knowing that by doing so, over time, you'll build an empire. But I don't know why, people, they have these dreams and they fantasize about driving the Rolls Royce and Bentley and, living their life on the beach with their laptop and all this stuff and having the big house. And I'm talking generally speaking, not everybody's into that. I'm not into all that fancy stuff, really. I'm a pretty humble guy. I'm not really into fancy things at all. The most expensive things that I buy are probably, I couldn't even tell you. I just don't buy anything. I buy Sperry shoes, I like Sperry shoes because they're comfortable on my feet. That's probably the most expensive thing that I buy. But other than that, people fantasize about this, living the laptop lifestyle, and they love the idea of it, but they don't like working for it. So they just give up and they just settle for whatever they have. And, that's one of the beautiful things about working from home and starting your own online business is that anybody can do it. It doesn't matter how old you are, what color you are, where you're from. It doesn't matter, how much money you have. It doesn't matter. Anybody can do these things if they're willing to put in the work. Some of the best success stories and people that I know in this industry have come from absolutely nothing. Completely broke backgrounds, poor families. Some have horrific stories, sleeping on dirt floors. Anybody can do this if you're willing to put in the work. And most people don't, they want instant gratification and they're not willing to put in the work. So that's the number one secret, folks. That's it. That's the magical formula, is showing up every day, taking massive action and staying consistent no matter what. No matter what. Doesn't matter if you work a full-time job. It doesn't matter if you don't feel good. It doesn't matter. Whatever your excuses are, you need to show up every day and stay consistent, because at the end of the day, people join people that they know, like, and trust. And you have to build people's trust. And you can't do that if you're just, making a video here and then waiting for 2 months and making another video, or taking time off and then coming back to it. You have to stay consistent all the time. and share your journey with people. Share your results with people. Edify other people who are in your groups or communities or business opportunities. You know, that's how you do it. That's the number one thing. You know, just learn simple skills, marketing, follow-up, communication, all of that stuff. You know, and I have the opportunities that I'm a part of that are not only great opportunities, but they'll teach you all that stuff. All right, so I'll leave a link down below this video. You can go check out my top 2 opportunities and what I'm doing to build my mailbox money empire. All right, and if you join me in these programs, you'll get my bonuses, over 80 different places to share the opportunities, my letter templates that I use in all my direct mail, okay, my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any assistance. I'll be there to help you out. But that's it. You know, don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't overthink things. Just get going, start now, and take action, all right? So if you have any questions about anything, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and actually like this video if you find value in it. Please share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, that means a lot to me. So again, I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.